How many stories you can make with Mudhouse?
Sir, it is widely believed that we can make only one story, but right now research is going on of making 2 to 3 stories also.
Will it be a load-bearing structure or will it be a frame structure?
Sir, it can be both, but frame structure would be better.
How you will make sure about beams and columns?
Sir, beams and columns could be made of bamboo or timber.
Now, if you are using timber, is it environmental friendly?
Sir, it depends on the location where we are building it. If it is available and the timber that we are using is of soft wood, then it is environmentally friendlier than concrete structures.
You will not use any kind of concrete in this.
No, sir, we don't use.
Tell me about how you will deal with rainfall in case of Mudhouse.
Sir, the roof of the building, I will make it sloping so that rain does not accumulate there and it's percolates off. And the surface of the walls is coated with a very fine slurry of clay, and it is repeatedly coated after some time so that it doesn't wash off.